Hey everybody, it's Chad from Colorado Giants. It is September 2nd, I believe. And just a real quick video before we head to Cape Cod on seeds. So this is how I dry my seeds. I put them in between two baking racks. Sometimes I'll just let them out, but I actually want these seeds to do well. So, you set them on a fan for a week or so, and that dries them out thoroughly. It dries all the pumpkin guts off of them, and then gets the seeds nice and hard. It's like one that fell off. So, for a week or so, the seeds will be fairly juicy. Would probably be a good analogy for that. But you need them to dry thoroughly before we do anything like sending them out. And then once they're all dried out, garage is always a mess. Even though I clean it like once a week, somehow it always remains a mess. Once they are ready, I'll put them in a package like this, and it'll say like these seeds that I'm drying right now. I'll be like 1984 Baron times 1911 Urena equals, and I'll probably put just like exhibition new, like 125 new or something. So you need to keep track of those genetics. It's kind of important. And then how do you get seeds from me or any other pumpkin grower? Send us a self-addressed bubble. So here's one that I got, covered up the address. So you send this to me. And inside of this is a padded envelope with your return address on it, return information, where it's going. This one's going to real cool guy was telling me about his situation. He's in Chula Vista, California. He's growing giant pumpkins in his retirement home. He got a plot there, so that's really, really awesome. So then this is a padded bubble. So all I have to do is take my seeds, put them in here, and I drop it in the mailbox, and that way it's basically no work for me. I worked all summer long growing the pumpkins, and I'm happy to give seeds away, but you do the legwork. Give me the envelope, I'll put the seeds in, put it in my mailbox, and go. Also, be polite. You're asking for something for free. So whenever you talk to me or you talk to another grower, butter us up a little bit. It doesn't hurt. Hey, Chad, like your videos. I was wondering if I could get some seeds from you. I'll go ahead and I'll send you a bubble. I'll be like, yes, person, not a problem. I would love to help you grow pumpkins and spread the addiction to all corners of the globe. So, that's how you do the bubble. That's how you dry your seeds. Don't forget to be polite. And we'll catch you next time. Have a good one.